Hello students, in this video we will learn to display multiple windows at a time. Windows 10 allows us to display multiple application windows side by side at a time. To do so, open any two applications of your choice. Here I am opening Excel 2013 and Scratch. Now right click anywhere on the empty area of the taskbar. Select the option Show Windows Side by Side in the shortcut menu. Notice that both the application windows are displayed side by side on the screen. Likewise, we can display as many application windows as we want. To undo the side-by-side view, right-click on the empty area of the taskbar. Select the Undo Show All Windows Side-by-Side option in the shortcut menu. In this way, we can display multiple windows at a time. Thank you.